I am going to show you how can you create a Facebook page professional way. So before starting the video, I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For creating a Facebook page professionally, you have to go your Facebook. You can see you have to open your main Facebook. You can see here I am opening my main Facebook, and from here you will can see here your home page. From your home page you have to click here three dot line. You can see three dot line. After clicking three dot line, you will can see here a option page. You can see option page. You have to click here page. After clicking page, you will can see here how many pages you have been create. Here those pages, but I want to create a new page, so I have to click here create. You have to also click here create. After clicking here, you will can see instruction how can you create a page. Then you have to click here get started. After clicking get started, you have to give her a name. So I am simply giving here my Facebook page name Tech 0.2. You can see here Tech 0.2. Here you can give any kind of name. So and the name have to be valid. After giving here name, you have to click here next. After clicking here next, you have to define here what kind of page you are creating. So I am simply creating a technology based page, so I have to search here TECS. You can see here science and tech. You can see you have to click here science and if you create a beauty and fashion page, you have to search here what kind of page you are creating. You have to search here. As I creating a tech and science based page, so I am simply click here and then have to click here create. Then after clicking next, you will can see here they are asking provide your address. So I am simply giving here my address. Dhaka, Bangladesh, and you have to choose here a city. So I am simply choosing here a city. You can see here Dhaka, Bangladesh, and then you have to click here next. Or if you don't want to provide your address and current city and county, you can click and skip, but I am providing here. So for creating a professional Facebook page, you should provide your address and current city. Then you have to click on next. After clicking next, you will can see this kind of page will be created. And from here you can select or add on profile picture and a cover photo. So you have to click here add option, and from here you can take a photo or upload. Simply I am uploading a photo. From here let's take I want to upload this, and then you have to click here done. So from here you can add your profile photo and picture cover photo. You have to click here simply add and add option, and from add you have to choose take a photo or upload, and then you have to upload, and then you have to click here done. Then you can see your page have been created. And if you don't or didn't upload or choose a picture before, then you can upload also from here. You can see an option, you can upload. So this is the page you have been created. So from here you can edit details, see about all the thing. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.